Remedy number 1, baking soda. When you think baking soda, you probably think of keeping your refrigerator fresh. Baking soda, in fact, does much more. For acne, mix baking soda and water in equal parts. Use them to make a paste you can apply to your face. Don't put it all over your face. You'll only want to put it on each individual acne spot. It's usually easier to use a Q-tip or fingertip and dab it on. Generally, doing this twice each day can give results. Remedy number 2, lemon juice. Lemons have citric acid which fights bacteria that cause acne. It's easy to use as an acne treatment. Simply cut a lemon in half. Then rub the open side of the lemon gently on your face. You will feel it stinging, which means it is working. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. And wash the lemon juice off. When you use lemon juice for your acne, you probably should use sunscreen if you're going outdoors. The citric acid in lemon can sometimes bleach the skin. This can make your skin more sensitive and makes it a higher risk for sun damage. Remedy number 3, potatoes. Slice a small, raw potato in half. Rub it on the acne. Potatoes not only have a healing effect, but are also an anti-inflammatory. This will help with that embarrassing and irritating swelling and redness acne can have on your face. When you're finished, wash the potato residue off of your face gently. Remedy number 4, toothpaste. This works well for pimples. If you have one or two that you want to get rid of quickly, simply apply toothpaste to it. Toothpaste contains silica which dries out and reduces the size of the pimple overnight if you leave it on. Toothpaste that has silica but not sodium lauryl sulfate works best. Most big-name brand toothpastes have sodium lauryl sulfate, so stick with the simple, natural ones when you use it to treat your acne. Remedy number 5, ice. Ice has been used for years to treat inflammation in the body. That's why when there's swelling from any kind of an injury, ice is applied to the affected area. For acne, ice is used because it closes pores as well as helps reduce the inflammation of acne. If you have big pores, you can take ice cubes and rub them gently over the problem spots. Ice or even cold packs work to constrict blood vessels beneath the skin. This causes irritation and/or inflammation to be less noticeable. Remedy number 6, tea tree oil. It is a well-known antifungal and antibacterial remedy. It's herbal, so it's great for mild-moderate acne. In tests, it has been just as effective as benzoyl peroxide for acne. The benzoyl peroxide may work more quickly, but tea tree oil will have fewer side effects and treat your acne naturally. Remedy number 7, aspirin. You'll want to crush the aspirin and form a paste. Then use a Q-tip or your finger to apply the paste on each pimple and let it dry. Aspirin contains salicylic acid. They use this in most acne treatments because it will destroy bacteria which cause acne. It dries out pimples while it fights bacteria. Leave the mixture on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and wash off gently. Remedy number 8, alum. You can check the spice aisle in your local grocery store and look for potassium alum. It is also used in natural deodorants and styptic to help reduce bleeding after a cut because it's a natural antiseptic and astringent that shrinks skin tissue. It works better in block form than powder. Just wipe it over your acne gently to avoid irritating pimples. Remedy number 9, fermented foods. Foods such as sauerkraut, kefir, natural yogurt or goat cheese contain probiotic and enzymes which help reduce acne. Adding these to your diet can be beneficial when you're struggling with acne breakouts. Remedy number 10, honey. Use a honey mask on your face a few times a week. Honey is an antibacterial, and can disinfect and help heal blemishes. It is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. You use the honey like you would use any commercial facial mask. Just rub the honey on your entire face. Let it sit until it's totally dry, and then peel it off. For more tips like these, please visit https://10shouts.com. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please check the links in description to find the readily available products in the market.